This video will show you what locks fit in a classic box and how to install them. Required tools include a 7/16-inch socket. This locking system is meant for Master Lock number 5 or American Lock number 50. Equivalent size locks that can work must meet critical dimensions located on lock installation label inside the box. Step 1. Slide the U-bolt over the lock shackle. Step 2 is to slide the lock through the tray and guide the U-bolt through the 2 holes positioned in the back of the tray. Step 3 is to secure the U-bolt with 2 lock nuts. Repeat the process for the other lock. Step 4 is to make sure the locks are properly installed. Close the lid and push locks until they click. If you need more assistance, call our customer service or visit our website.